How to add message to reveal in Instagram story. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to add message to reveal in Instagram story. The message to reveal sticker. This lets you hide part of your story behind a blur, only revealing it to viewers who send you a direct message. It's a great way to spark curiosity and boost engagement. So to add message to reveal in Instagram story, first open the Instagram app on your phone. Now swipe right to access your story camera, or tap the plus sign next to your profile picture to create a new story. Snap a photo, record a video, or choose an existing image or clip from your camera roll, whatever you want. Once you have your content, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. From the sticker menu, look for the one called Reveal. Once found, tap on it to add it to your story. You can type a message that appears before viewers reveal the hidden part of your story. This could be a question, a hint, or anything that piques their curiosity. When you finish writing, tap Done in the top right corner. Once you're happy with how your story looks, tap the preview button at the bottom of the screen to see how it will appear to your viewers. When you're happy with everything, hit the Share Your Story button. Now, when your viewers see your story, the part covered by the sticker will be blurred. They'll see your message prompting them to send you a DM to reveal the hidden content. With these simple steps, you can easily add message to reveal in Instagram story. Make your stories interactive with message to reveal. Try it out for yourself and see how it helps you boost engagement with your followers. And this is how to add message to reveal in Instagram story. If you have any questions about adding message to reveal in Instagram story, feel free to leave them down in the comments below.